This looks at all familiar, maybe a certain as it's like a Boeing 737-800.
Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm gonna unbox whatever in this package. Today we're gonna have some fun. And I promise this is a second livery special. After I unboxed this Southwest Airlines Freedom 1. Check it out right top right hand corner if you want to see the video. But that's not what today, not another Southwest special. Let's go ahead and open it up. And I'm using this Japanese knife. It's Alaska. It's first of all, yeah, it's Alaska Airlines Boeing 737-800. It's in 1/400 scale. This one's from JC Wings. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and open it. Obviously, I got this on eBay again, as per usual. You can find it in the description. And this one came from seller Panda Fox Toys, which is actually a company actually sells toys. And actually I heard about they do inspect, and I mean they did a nice job actually putting the box with you saw a handle with care. Let me get rid of that box on the floor. The box on the floor. Packaging, honestly. There it is, the model itself. I got this for New Year's gift, just for fun, obviously. Let's go ahead and open this up. Come on. Here it is, beautiful model of Alaska Airlines. What a beauty. Let me get this, oh, there it is. Freedom 1. I want to see nose to nose. And yeah, it's a beautiful aircraft. You can see it. They actually partnered with Disneyland. Decided to paint the Star Wars plane, and this is a Freedom 1. You can see this is a beautiful aircraft. It's a beautiful airplane. I love it. Southwest does have a Wi-Fi, but here it does not. But in reality, they do have Wi-Fi on board. And let's check out the bottom. It's a bit cold. It is actually cold outside here in Florida as I'm recording this. It's actually cold outside when I recorded this video. Yeah, it's a beautiful. I have never flown it yet. When I recording, as of right now, I'm recording this video. I have not been able to fly the airline yet, but I'm hoping to sometime in the future. All right, there's nothing for me to talk about. I would say it's a beautiful model. Well, that's gonna do for this one. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.